Molweni, ndanamkela nonke kwezitshisa the entertainment. Guys, episode 2 of Izingane Nesithembu was so jam-packed and otrendayo uma fungashe kababa uMusa Mseleku. uSne Mseleku owadonswa amadlebe ubaba uMseleku wamhlalisa phansi nje wathi, "Yabona ngani yami, njengoba usuzele usuney'ngane eziwu-2 and amadoda wathanda uwabeka phambili in front. Please ngane yami, you have to now umise ingqondo uzame either uphinde esikolweni noma if awuphinde esikolweni, be serious about one thing, uqale ibhizinesi, do something. Mina ngiwuMseleku ngizokusiza because uyingane yami ngiyakuthanda, because into engiyibalekelayo ukuthi njengoba ama-siblings akho amanye or abongwe noMpilo be-serious ngesikolo, they are going to upgrade their lives and kuzoba khona leyo gap yokuthi bona bafundile wena awufundanga. So into ezokwenzeka is that you will end up saying bayazitshela kanti cha, kunaleya gap yokuthi bona umqondo wabo is educated and wena unomqondo wokuthini wokuhlala ekhaya. So unfortunately, that same thing that uMusa Mseleku bezama by all means ukuyigwema, it unfortunately has started happening njengamanje. Sisabona laphana ke ku episode 2 uAbongwe ke invite wonke ama siblings akhe for islamba party and they were all so happy. Everyone was just so happy ukuthi wow, ama siblings finally awodwa, akuna girlfriend, akunani nje, they are bonding as ama siblings, as ingane zababa uMseleku. And uSneke uye wavezwa kawu2 ukuthi she cannot have leyo title yokuthi she is the bigger sister. Uyafeyila, she is failing dismally at being ubig sister. So umbuzo ke laphayana was posed by uLwandle ukuthi Abongwe, what would you like for uSne to consider as your bigger sister or as her younger sibling, something along those lines. And Abongwa vele wahlala kona wathi, mina into engithanda ukuthi uSne I considerishe ama feelings am nama emotions am whenever sihleli lapha ekhaya sibukela uTV na kuvele itabane, uSne njalo uzokwenza ama comments, not just any comments, really mean comments about abantu that are the same as me, like abantu that are in the LGBTQI community, and akaboni lutho olurongo. Fortunately ke uSne uye wahamba ke laphana ke ku diary session waveza ukuthi how ngempela yazi ama comments aphecelezi ngekwenze, but angikaze ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe lawo ama comments lawo are going to hurt uAbongwe. So ngiyaxolisela leyo ndawo. Asho ku Abongwe wathi uyaxolisa nje, but knowing uSne akazuyeka, like she's still going to continue enza lama comments engisho kahle ukuthi mina akangiphathi sisi neze kahle. So we moved on to the second question enze ukuthi once again ahlale phezu kwama siblings akhe. So the second question ephumileyo laphayana was, who is the fakest siblings? Washo kuqala ke uSne wathi Pilonhle, nasekuqaleni uthi Abongwe, like abantu bayamhleka ukuthi maybe the reason as to why enza leyo accent uzama ukulinganisa uMpilo, because people, ama viewers really do believe that uSne is jealous of uMpilo and ufuna i-life kaMpilo. So waphakamisa kuqala ke wathi Pilonhle wathi she is the fakest siblings. Wathuka ke uMpilo ukuthi hawu kanjani, why are you throwing me under the bus, why ungihlaza in front of abantu, because last time ngakuhambisa ngakusa ku spa date ngifuna ukuthi uvule inhliziyo ukuthi how you feel about me, and wangitshela ukuthi mina ngiright, uma sengizitshela wena you will tell me you are not afraid of me. So what do you mean, like ivelaphi lento yokuthi I'm fake? And how ke uSne akapholisanga maseko waya nje kwi diary room akakhona ukumtshela njengoba esithi mina ngikusabi, I'll tell you as my sister. Wahamba wayo confessa kwi diary room ke wathi nje hayibo uMpilo ave ezitshela guys, every time mina ngimvakashele lapha ezantsi kwamakhumalo mengifika usifakela ama headsets, uzicofela ifoni, ngiyambingelela umuntu uyangi-ignora, like uyazitshela nje uMpilo guys akukho nje engakusho. So I did see that some viewers are on Mpilo's side saying that uMpilo is being raised by uMakhumalo, so obviously une class, but at the same time umuntu one class, like yes I understand that, but mengikubingelela, why can't you greet back? What's gonna take what will greeting back take from you? Yeah, understand. So washo ke nje wathi iyasitshela leya ngane. Bambuza ke sebemfake ecourt ke manje the reason Sneh, why are you saying Umpilo is fake? Wababuka nje wathi yazini impendulo le yenu nizoyithola eBush. Athi impendulo nizoyithola eBush. Washo esukuma ethatha into zakhe ehamba eshiya islumber party just like that. Now we all know ukuthi Shame Usne is really short-tempered. I don't know why she's like that, but she's really short-tempered. And kukhona abantu Shame abamthethelayo Usne bathi, you know what, ama siblings akhe akameki laphayana, because remember Usne is the firstborn, so abamnikezi leyo respect. Even lento ebeyenza nje lapha uMpumelelo ukuthi ngicela ukukutolikela mekhuluma abongwe noma uMpilo ngeEnglish athi ngicela ukukutolikela. Obviously that does not sit well with Usne. She does feel as though ukuthi she really is uneducated. And also ama viewers feel like akumele benze njalo because bona bathola ama opportunities that Usne couldn't get. Remember, Usne only joined ifamily yakwaMseleku semdala wayekade ehlala noma wakhe, then after uma wakhe ke eseshonile wazojoina ngala, so she couldn't really get ama opportunities abongwe noMpilo abebowatholile. So abantu bayacela ukuthi they need to be really patient ngaye ke Usne. So yeah guys, what are your thoughts? Please ngiyacela engage on it down on the comments, ngilakele le video, and ngiyacela please guys ni subscribe if angenzi njalo, and ngizonibona on the next one. Bye.